In this demonstration, we're not going to use any type of glues or adhesives, just for demonstration purposes. But what we suggest is use some sort of adhesive, maybe like a 3M spray or something, and go ahead and spray down your material. And then when you go to sit your door board up on the material, as you go to sit it down, just make sure there's like an even amount of material all the way around. So what I'm going to do is take our door panel cover, which is this beautiful, beautiful brown color. And what I'm going to do is, the cover has holes already traced out. What you're going to want to do is kind of line them up with the holes for your door crank and your door handle, and there's holes here for the screw holes. And what you're going to want to do is just start by pulling the material over these clips and sliding the material between the little push pin. Okay. So basically you're just going to start working your way around slowly. Once we have it all attached here, you're going to take some more of the same adhesive that you used and put under all of the edges, just for a little bit extra secure fit. And then we'll go ahead and put it onto the door. Okay, so now we have all of the material attached to the push pins. Like I said, if you would like to use any adhesive, you can go ahead and add some more adhesive behind the material here and pop it back on the door frame. Okay, so in this example, like I said, I'm not using any spray adhesives or glues. I do recommend you doing that, but I just want to show you how snug and tight that these fit without any adhesives or glues. Just simply tuck the material in between the push pins back behind the door panel, pop them on. Look at that fit already. No adhesives, no glues. So do the same thing over here, tuck any excess material in. We do recommend using some sort of glue or spray adhesive to attach the material to the door board. When you go to install the handle and the window crank again, all you're going to do is take the little clips, get them started in the grooves. Okay. Get them started, and you're going to push them as hard as you can back onto this spline, and you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and push this clip until it pops back in and catches that groove. That's it.